Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Malvin and I joined the Japan trip to Tokyo with you. So this is my presentation for basically a recap of what I did during the trip to Japan. So I firstly want to appreciate how Yuya planned everything. It was really well planned. There was like a balance of the amount of stuff you learn because it was a study tour, but yet you can also enjoy yourself. So there was some comfort and entertainment as well. I definitely enjoyed the activities planned, like the workshops, sightseeing, food, etc. And we really went to different parts of Tokyo, which we only stopped by the same station twice for a day. So that meant that we went to different stations for every day. And you can get to really see the different parts of Tokyo and making it more beneficial as a holiday, I guess, vacation. Now I'll be describing the workshops. They came in various and broad topics, being very general, not specifying in a specific topic for you to enlarge your experience, I guess. They can really teach you new things for you to gain experiences while having some enjoyment for yourself as well. The people were very well mannered, they treated us properly. And when they did, although we did not feel the same, an example would be me spitting on the floor during the tea ceremony. But the experience was good. They treated us properly and they knew how to treat you as guests. You feel welcome. About the food, it was absolutely mouth-watering and should not be in comparison with our daily diet. In other words, their selection for the restaurants was good. Like you would be satisfied with the food you eat there. A thing I truly enjoyed was actually the freedom for you to do things. Other than a study tour where you follow like specific plans, you actually get to do stuff on your own. There weren't strict regulations on when it came to what you wanted to do. In fact, most of the things that we asked to do, we were given permission to. Like, let's say if you want to go to a shoe store, they would give you the chance to go to a shoe store and buy stuff. So it's not really a burden. You get to enjoy it more as a vacation while studying new things. Wait. The sceneries were also amazing. They're good choices, I guess. They really show Tokyo for a person's first time being in Tokyo. With the limited time of sightseeing, you would end up being satisfied because you get to see quite a lot. Yes. And another benefit was that you would go around Tokyo by foot and not always be in a bus. So you can really like see around Tokyo live yourself because in the bus you might as well just fall asleep. And last but not the least, I wanna appreciate those who I went there with. The tour guide, Miss Veronica, was very kind, modest, patient. She dealt with situations properly, especially when you're dealing with people like my brother. And the other voyagers, my brother, auntie, and Ashley, they were okay. They didn't cause much trouble and kept the trip going well. That's all for the trip.